Hi, my name is Victor Eko. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this particular design in Corel Draw. So I created this just to welcome my fans to August. So I decided to make a video about this. So let me just go over to a new page quickly, and the size I'm using is 5 by 5 inches. So you just come over to this place and you select what do you want, millimeter, point, pixels, but for this I'm using inches, and my dimension, that is the height is 5 and the width is 5. So this is my workspace that I'm going to be working on, and to proceed I'm going to create an outline here which I'm going to be working my design into. So by doing that, you can click on your rectangular shape. Let me just remove the orange. So this is my outline now. This is where I'm going to be doing all of my design. When I come back to this place, I right click to remove the outline, or I simply come over to this place to maybe remove the outline by clicking on none. Next now let me bring in the color I want. I come over to my color palette. Let me just pick a color like this. So by doing that, I double tap on this place. I'm using Corel for 2020, that is why it's showing here. I click on this place and go over to my color viewers. I click on the color viewers. So I don't want it to be sharp green, so I just have to edit this just to give me the type of green I would like. Okay, let me use this. So once I'm done, I click on OK. Let me use this. This was the one I used for my last video. So okay, let me just use this so that it will give me the exact thing I'm looking for. Let me use this. So this is my color. Now the color viewers. Okay, this is not what I use. Let me use the other one. This. So you want to come back to the color viewers. You see the place it is. Okay, so after this, I come over to my interactive field tool, or I press G on my keyboard. So I drag it like this, because I want to have a little bit of white to it. So I come over to my elliptical fountain field so that it will be round. The white should be round. So I want the white to be round, and shows like this. Okay. So once I'm done, I bring in my images, the image I want to use. So this is one of the image I'll be using. Let me bring in the other one, which is so I want to bring in the city. Okay, so I'm dragging it in. So for this, I just place it here and drag it like this, push it up a bit. Okay, so I come over to my transparency tool and just transparent this down a bit. I don't want it to be so sharp. So after I'm done, I right click on the image and power clip it inside the box. So for this, I can edit it and just push it up a bit. Okay, once I'm done, I press my Alt down, to tap on the image inside so that I can change it, or better still, I can just come over to my edit. Under edit, I choose the image that is there. I come over to my transparency tool So I bring in this my image here. You see that it's having a background. You can remove your background in Photoshop. You can remove it on your smartphone using Photo Room or remove.pg. But for this, I just want to show you how to remove your background from Corel using spline. So to get your spline, you come over to under the spray and so you see all this node here, so you just click on it to show everything that is under it. So I chose on my spline, so I just take it one step at a time, just following the shape of the image. So that is how I'll be doing it till I cover the image. So because I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to pause this now and continue after I make all the shapes. So when I got to this particular point, this is the starting point above and this is the end point, so I'm just going to click it like this to join it together. So now I have my outline. Let me add an outline to it for you to see it. Yes, so this is it. So I've shape out the image from this particular design. So the next thing I'll do is I come over to my shape tool. The outline is still there. The outline is still there. Let me add the outline now. Okay, yeah. So you see the outline is still there. So the next thing I'll do is I come over to my shape tool and just draw out any shape. Like this. Let me add an outline to it. Let me just use the outline. So from this shape now, I right click and power clip it inside the shape I created. Now you see it's the box is inside the shape I created. So I come over to my image now. This is the image. So I come over to my image and right click on it and power clip it inside the image. So the reason why I power clip the box first is so that I'll be able to I'll be able to power clip the image inside. That is why I power clip the box first. So let me just show you. If I do not power clip it inside, okay, this is the image. So if I do not power clip the box first, now I'm trying to power clip the image inside. See, okay, it seems I've put this thing before, that's why I need to do it again. Clip it inside. Oh wow, so it's even working. Okay, so I don't need the box again. So for this now, you see that I've removed the background that is there, but if I click on my edits, you still see the background there. So for this, I can just say remove the outline so that I won't have an outline again. Now my image is the background is out. So this is another way you can remove image using spline. This is another way you can remove background from your image using spline on Corel. So the next thing I'll do, I'll just adjust it like this. Just place it where I want it to be. Now I want to edit. I want to change the color gradients of this image. Now just check out something. If I click on adjust, you see that all these things is so that everything is dark. So what I'll do first, I'll click on the edit. So I'm going to edit it through the image that I've power clipped inside. So now I'm clicking on the effects. I come don't know how to adjust it so that everything is now showing. So you have to, since you power clip it inside that shape, you have to click on the edit and enter where you power clip so that you'll be able to edit the image. Now I'm going to my local equalizer. So under my local equalizer, I just want to make some effects on the image. So you just choose anyone that's best, that you find good and perfect for your work. You just start. Okay, let me leave it at 162 by 162. I click on OK. So on clicking on finish, you see that it's already changing the shape of the color of the image. So let me click on edit again. Under this, I still want to add something. So I'll come over to my effects. I come over to texture and plastic. So under the plastic now, I can just increase, decrease, checking it out. Okay, my depth is too much. So my depth, let me just just add the smoothness I like. Okay, you see coming down is distorting the image, so I know that's okay. This particular one I just have to go forward, so let me leave it in the one that was there before, which is okay, let me leave it at 95. And for my highlight, let me see it again. Let me see. Okay, going front, highlight will be so much, so let me just leave it here at 9. Click on my OK, click on finish because I'm doing everything inside the power clip. Now this is how my image is. That is the same way I created something like this. So that was the process I took. Creating it, click on bring it down a bit. Click on how this one is highlighted. I click on my shift and tap on the background, and I say C on my keyboard to centralize it. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll come over to my shape tool and I draw out a shape like this. Let me remove the outline and add a color to it. Let me say okay. So I added this particular color of green, which I've already adjusted from my uniform field, which I've already adjusted here to get my desired color of green. So for this, I tap again to give me all the sign. Then from here I can just rotate it a bit like this. Okay, bring it down. So for this, I right click and say power clip inside so that it will be under the image. Then I can simply edit it and just keep it like this. Okay, yeah, so let me leave it like this. And for the image, because you see this particular place, it's showing, it's coming out of my workspace. So what I'll do is I right click on the image, say my power clip, and power clip it inside so that it will give me a proper shape. So that is how I created this particular image like this, and we are almost through with this design. So the next thing I'll do is I come over to my text and say August. Let me change it to monument. I used monument extended. That is the text and the fonts I used for that. Yeah. So and I changed it to rotate it a bit like this. Okay, the rotation now is 5.895. So for this, I can just duplicate it. How did I duplicate it? I press my shift down. I press my left cursor down and drag it up using my cursor. Then I right click to drop it there. So for this, I can just Ctrl A and say welcome. Welcome. I want it to be in small letters like this. I can just next thing I'll do, let me come over to my shape tool again and just add a text like this, and the text I'm using orange. So the reason I use orange, I just want to add something off, and because I have orange on the scarf, that is why I just put the orange there, so that it will, I want to use two colors for the design, so which is green and orange, because I don't want the orange to overshadow the green. That's why I just make it small. So for this rotation, it was 5.895. So I'm going to apply the same thing for the shape, which is 5.895, and hit my enter. Then I push it up a bit. So for this, I can duplicate this, and say so. Then for this, I can change it to my white and reduce it like so. Welcome to August. Push this up a bit. Alright. So the next thing you have here is I duplicate this like this. Bring it here. Then and edit this and just add a quote. So I just added a quote I saw. Remember whatsoever. I just say my Control A, Shift F3, because I want to see it to have a title case, which is all the first letter should be in capital letter. Then for this, I can just reduce it to fit in this space here. So if it doesn't fit, you can just try to adjust some things. Page 7. Okay, so that is how I created this, and for this again, let me just duplicate it down here and say from Netflix services, which is my business name. this is not the main focus, that's why I won't make it show well. Then for this I can just duplicate again, get it like this, and say August. The both side, you press your shift down and increase. Okay, so I place it here. Place it here like this. Okay, so for this I'm power clipping the text inside because I want it to be at the back of this image. So I click on my edits and press my control page down to take it to the back of the text of the image, but because of this particular point it's obstructing my text here. So what I'm going to do is I come over to my shape tool and just draw out a shape like this. Remove the outline there. So what is the rotation? 6.535. The rotation of this of the rectangle. So I use the same thing here, which is 6.535. Click on enter. So before I do that, let me just press Ctrl K to break the text apart. I don't want it to affect other letters. I just want it to affect only this A. So for this, I say Ctrl K to break all the text apart so that my A will be separate, my C will be separate, and other text. So for this, I just place it here like this. I just place it here. Okay. Then how my shape is highlighted, I press my shift and tap on the A. Then I come over to my trim. Trim it out and delete this. So once I delete it, I can group my text back. Control G. I group the text back so that everything will be one. So once I'm done, I click on finish. Now you see that it's out of this place. So for this, I can just this grain is too loud, so I just need to add some things to it. I want to add a little bit of black to this grain. So how do I do that? I come over to my interactive fill tool or my G on my keyboard and make something like this. Now for this part, I can choose my 90% black. Just drag the color inside at once. Okay, 90% black, so I drag it inside this place, and I push this inside. No, I'm pushing it inside. This place is white already, so let me just drag in my green to it. So I drag in the green and I have something like this, but the black is overshadowing the green, so I need some little bit of editing there. So I can just move this like this. I can shift this one back a bit, and I can raise this. Let me check. I can finish. Okay, yes, it seems I'm lacking something like this, but I want the black to be here also. Node here. How do I make another node? Just double tap this, and for this I can just drag in my 90% black to it. I drag in my 90% black here, and let me see how it looks like. Okay, still a bit. So you just continue to tweak it